Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak soda for the skin. So I got so awesome results for that. My God, and it's so damn cheap. So looks baking soda, just white powder, and oats, and you put it in a blender and then you make a mixture out of it. It's just so damn simple. There's one rule. When you can eat the stuff, you can put it on the skin. If you cannot eat the stuff, don't put it on the skin, because the skin absorbs it and afterwards it's soaked in the blood circuit. Okay, understand it? So only pure stuff. So I just tried it out and I got awesome results. I never have experienced such things. So the skin got total clear, and my rashes was disappearing, good for my eczema. What else? So it detoxes the skin. That's good. It exfoliates the skin. This means dead cells are removed. It is good for eczema. Then you try it 3 or 4 times a day, or 2 times, at least 2 times 5 or 10 minutes. And first the eczema is getting worse and then better, because first soda is soaking out the toxic substances, so it gets worse at first. And good for acne, the same thing. It soaks out the pimples, what you else want. Good for sunburns. So you can try out pure soda. I've tried it out just with pure soda. Put it, mixed it with water, made a facial mask, applied it 10 to 1 hour, and then I cleaned my skin with a shower so that the facial mask is removed fast without much rubbing on the skin. Then I tried it out with oats, made a mixture 2 times or 3 times. Soda 1 or 2 times, or 1 time, also oats. Ne? Okay, it's even better. Mix it together, then let it soak in water at least 1 hour, smeared it on my face, waited that it's soaked in the water, and then you put it on the skin, wait 10 to 1 hour, remove it, finish, and so you see awesome results. So you can even remove scars of the pimples with soda, dark spots with the soda. Then you mix it together with lemon juice. Or you can mix it with oil, but I don't like it so much. I don't like oil. Okay. And then you can mix it also with honey. Try it out. After this treatment, so the skin is very dried out through the soda mixture, you apply pure coconut oil on the skin. A little bit is good enough. And just see the results. And that's just for a penny. It is just, and so people buy expensive facial mask, and this is much better than mostly of all bought facial masks. Okay. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.